So we're gonna do a little electro etching. This is my maker's mark, 3 stars. Here's our knife. This is about what it's gonna look like, except it won't be yellow, it'll be black. So I'm gonna line it up right here. Much easier to do this when you don't have the handle on it. The company says I can get about 5,000 etches out of it, which is a lot of etching. So we're going to find out. And the big thing right now, you want to make sure that this can't move. So you want to get it right. Everything absolutely perfect. Now we have our battery. Little 9-volt battery. It's got positive marked and negative marked. You're gonna need 2 leads. You need a negative lead, a positive lead. You're gonna need salt water. There's salt built up in the bottom of this, so that way it's fully saturated salt water. Now, I recommend getting the Q-tip brand. It seems to work a lot better for this. You soak these in the salt water. And I'm doing this now before the handle's put on, so that way if this doesn't come out, I can still grind it off and I can do it again. But make sure it's still actually recording. Positive hooks onto the positive terminal. And this clamps onto the blade. And the other end goes on the Q-tip. So we're gonna get our salt water. Put a little salt water on here. This clamps into the wet part of the Q-tip. This is soaked in salt water. And let's give it a shot.
Oh, it's working.
The Q-tip. Water on there. The higher the concentration of the salt water, the better outcome you'll get. Think we have an etch. It's nice and black. The black is the salt water and the carbon being left behind. So it's removing, this is removing steel. There we are. Gotta clean it up a little bit. That came out great. I'm very happy with that.
Give it a little buff. A little hydrate sandpaper. We'll touch that up.